Hey everyone and welcome to Get Set Ma. In today's episode, we are going to be thoroughly looking at two Love Lab strollers. At Get Set Ma, we think there are about 10 features to look at when you are out buying a stroller. So let's see how the Love Lab Galaxy stroller and the Love Lab City Buggy fared on that.
Please click to subscribe and turn on notifications.
So this here is the Love Lab Galaxy stroller that your child can begin using starting from the infancy stage itself. And this here to my right is the Love Lab City Buggy that your child can begin using post the age of 6 months. Both of them can be used by your toddler till they are 3 years old or 15 kgs. And they have a really sleek design, as you can see, and they are both available in some very attractive colors. Now, while both these strollers are great and they have really great features, they do have some slightly different purposes which we shall explain through the course of this video as we explain their features. Do remember that the Love Lab City Buggy is great for city and urban areas and can be used for your child post the age of 6 months, while the Love Lab Galaxy stroller can be used for your baby starting from the infancy stage itself, so right from the first month itself.
Let's start off by talking about the recline position of the seat of the stroller. And both our strollers here work well on this, as the seats of both the City Buggy and the Galaxy stroller are well cushioned and can recline to a full 180 degrees, and they have two further positions that they can be adjusted to. Having a full 180 degree recline option is a must, as in case your baby has not started sitting up, then they will mostly be lying down flat in the pram in this recline position, and also if they ever want to take a nap while you are out, then this works great. Feature number 2 in our focus is sturdy wheels and a good suspension. Both these strollers again are sturdily built that makes them very comfortable for your child, and they come with front swivel wheels that makes them easy to maneuver. The Love Lab Galaxy stroller comes with lockable front wheels and a rear wheel link brake, while the Love Lab City Buggy has lockable rear wheels. Next up, that is feature number 3, is a 5-point safety harness, and both the City Buggy and the Galaxy stroller come with this, which makes them very safe for your child as they securely strap them in. Feature number 4 is reversible handles. The Love Lab Galaxy stroller fulfills this feature as the handle can be moved from the front to the back of the stroller easily and vice versa. This helps your baby face you while using the stroller. The City Buggy, however, doesn't come with this, but that's okay, as usually the reversible handle is preferred with a newborn, as that is when they like to look at their caregivers. When they start sitting up, post the age of 6 months, they prefer to look around, and that is the age onwards from when the City Buggy can be used. At number 5, we have the peekaboo window, which is a great way to check on your baby without disturbing them, and both these strollers fulfill that promise. Number 6 is ease of folding and storage, and both these strollers can be very easily folded up. The Galaxy has a one-hand fold and the City Buggy is similar. This clasp is easy to lift with one hand and it collapses into an umbrella fold. The Galaxy stroller, however, does take a little bit more storage space than the Buggy, which has a compact design suited for urban homes with space constraints.
Moving on to feature number 7, which is how light and compact the stroller is. Now they both are fairly lightweight, which make them a great travel option, but the Buggy here is definitely lighter and more compact than its colleague.
Next up, number 8 is canopy size, and both these strollers get a tick mark here again, as their canopies are nice and extended to protect your child from any kind of weather elements and to give them some nice quiet time. Feature number 9 is a feeding tray, which the Galaxy stroller comes with, but not the City Buggy. This does come handy if you are out for a long time and your child is spending a lot of time in the stroller, but as they get older, it's also something you can choose not to have, so it's subject to your usage entirely. Number 10 is good spacious storage, which you can never have enough of with a child, and the storage space available underneath either of these strollers and also behind the canopy is really great and easy to access.
So this was the Love Lab City Buggy and the Love Lab Galaxy stroller. So to summarize, the Lovelab City buggy is a great, lightweight, sturdy and handy buggy with some very convenient features that you can begin using for your baby once they are 6 months old and above. And the Lovelab Galaxy stroller is a good, well-built stroller with numerous features that you can start using for your baby right from the infant stage. Please do check out the links below this video to know more about these strollers and more Lovelab products as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and take care.